I'm disappointed by comments made by some members of United Nations Security Council in a meeting debating the USA-Venezuela invasion. Some members are talking about corruption in Venezuela. Not that I'm not condoning corruption, but at this moment we are talking about invasion of Venezuela, a sovereign country, by the United States of America, breach of all international legal norms. The USA bypassed UN and UNC and rendered them toothless. The US took upon itself to invade a sovereign country. It bombed Venezuela under pretense it harbored drug traffickers, while knowing very well it was after Venezuela oil. Venezuela has the largest oil reserves in the world, estimated to be about 600 billion barrels. The US has kidnapped President Nicolas Maduro and his wife and also taken over running of Venezuela and its oil fields for the benefit of USA. This is a repeat of 2003 when US invaded Iraq under pretense of looking for weapons of mass destruction, when in actual fact it was about taking or controlling Iraq oil fields. The US bullying other countries for their mineral resources should come to an end. The United Nations Security Council must demand release of President Nicolas Maduro and his wife, and also demand USA troops to move out of Venezuela with immediate effect. The UNC must give USA timelines, deadlines to meet these demands or face consequences like they did with the Russia-Ukraine war. The United Nations Security Council cannot allow USA to proclaim itself as police and judge of the world, which alone bears the right to invade, kidnap, kill other people, because this has a potential to start World War III. Remember that there are countries who have invested billions in Venezuela. Do you think these countries will just let their investment vanish into thin air just because they fear USA? I don't think so.